Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will talk about Spectrum remote won't turn on TV, how to resolve the issue in minutes. Number 1. Check the batteries. Ensure the remote has functional batteries. Remove the battery cover from the back of the remote. Verify that the batteries are installed correctly with proper polarity. Replace old or weak batteries with fresh ones. Test the remote to see if it functions properly. Number 2. Verify remote mode. Ensure the remote is in TV mode. Press the TV button on the Spectrum remote to activate TV mode. Test the remote by attempting to turn on the TV. Number 3. Program the remote. Auto search. Use auto search to find the correct code. Turn on the TV manually. Press and hold the setup button until the TV button blinks twice. Enter 991. Aim the remote at the TV and press the power button. Press CH plus repeatedly until the TV turns off. Press setup to lock in the code. Test the remote. Number 4. Program the remote direct code entry. Use the specific code for your TV. Find the correct code for your TV in the Spectrum remote user manual or online. Turn on your TV manually. Press and hold the setup button until the TV button blinks twice. Enter the code and test the remote by pressing power. If the TV doesn't turn off, repeat with another code. Number 5. Enable TV control function. Link the remote to the TV for full control. Press the menu button on the Spectrum remote. Navigate to settings and support and press OK. Select remote control, then connect remote on TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup. Test the remote. Number 6. Power cycle the TV and remote. Restart both devices to clear temporary glitches. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power source. Remove the batteries from the Spectrum remote. Wait for 60 seconds. Plug the TV back in. Power it on manually and reinsert the batteries into the remote. Test the remote. Number 7. Check for interference. Ensure a clear line of sight and remove potential disruptions. Check for objects blocking the infrared IR signals between the remote and the TV. Remove any electronic devices such as fluorescent lights that might cause interference. Test the remote at different angles and distances. Number 8. Contact Spectrum support. Seek professional assistance for unresolved issues. If none of the above steps resolve the problem, contact Spectrum support via the Spectrum Support Center. Provide details about the issue and the steps you have tried. Thanks for watching.